There's a tractor. He's coming up and he's talking on his cell phone. I find that really awesome. Kind of funny. Yeah. Where are we going?
To go buy boots.
Yes. Do you want to know? Kelsey doesn't want it. Yes. This is where we have now arrived, almost, at the Army Surplus store. We're gonna get some for our customers. Awesome.
It's a dream.
Erin is conquering her fear of birds. Do you want me to take him? He's not gonna bite you, don't worry. I think he likes you.
Can I pet him?
Yeah. Okay, maybe not. Don't. Here. He's not eating you or anything, so...
Why does it keep getting closer?
Because he knows where your ear is and he wants to sing to your ear. Attack. Sup? He's popping his head, yes! Oh, he's gonna poop. Come on, Cosmo. Isn't it awesome to see him walk? Do you want to sit on my sombrero? Maybe not. Erin, it's okay. No! Because it's in Spanish. Hi, Chloe. Kill you! Kill you! Kill you! I'll kill you! Kill you! Kill you! Stop it!
Aproveche y visita a alguien de confianza. Un agente de Allstate. Soy muy
Ah, dang it!
Oh, it popped.
Right when I turned it on.
Make another one. Oh, sorry.
Why did you say sorry?
Because I pulled your hair.
Soap. You have my soap.
I have your soap?
You have my soap on your camera now.
I think I got a lot up at the base. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Hello, Snickers. Swaggle right over if you think that's okay.
Do you think you'd have enough of this?
I should.
Okay.
I hope so.
Better.
At least get the front done first, I guess. Sneakers, are you watching what we're doing? No, stickers.
Retard bait. Oh, she looks funny from this angle. Bubba! Kind of.
When are you getting your hair cut?
I have no clue.
Okay, so now we're going to go see a play at the college I go to, or university, the university I go to. It's gonna be awesome. I hope we can get in. Right now we're only on the wait list. Yeah!
Yeah, so my finger hurts.
Wait, there we go! It's a Christmas tree! There's another one! Oh, isn't that cute? That's so... Waste of electricity, but okay.
I wonder how long it took them to figure that out.
Well, anyways, we just got done seeing The Miracle Worker. Erin said it was decent.
Well, I didn't say it was bad, I just...
Yeah, she's not a play person.
Especially not when my grand terrified me with Peter Pan. No man should wear tights.
You should point it at yourself.
No.
Why?
Because I said so. Okay, well, green light.